Hey everyone, Will here from All Electric, back again with another video, and today we're taking a look at window tint. In this video, I'm going to talk about why you should get window tint on your Tesla and where you should go to get it. And it's more important than you think. Let's jump right in. Now, as you can see here on this Cybertruck, this is the front door of the Cybertruck, and it has been tinted by Detail Authority in Fairfax. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. But this information I'm going to share in this video applies to all Teslas, S3, X, Y, and the Cybertruck, because they all have this frameless glass that you can see here. And it's so important that you get a high quality place to do your window tint, because if you don't have a professional doing it, it is going to be incredibly obvious. You can see here just how clean this line looks, but I have seen some disaster type installs of window tint on Teslas, especially when the door is open. You can really tell that it is just a poor quality job. Now, if we open up the back window, the Cybertruck does come with some dyed glass in the back, but it is important to get these tinted as well. We do have window tint on here. This is the highest end Xpel window tint, and that is because of heat rejection. Heat rejection is so important in Teslas because there's just so much glass all the way around these vehicles. Now, like most other Teslas, also you can see the glass up here. So this piece of glass here is also, it's really important to tint as well. Now, while Tesla does put some secret sauce in this big piece of glass back here, Xpel can increase that. The highest end Xpel window tint can actually block 98% of the heat from the sun, so you don't get baked inside of your car. Also, when you get into your car, it's going to feel a lot cooler inside the car, so it keeps your car even cooler. So if you have something like cabin overheat protection, which keeps the temperature from going above 100 degrees in all Teslas, it's going to need to use that feature a lot less because your cabin itself inside the car is going to stay a lot cooler. Now, again, I want to impress on how important it is to get a high quality installer to install your window tint, because you are going to see this line. You're going to see if the person didn't do a good job on the window tint. I got this done from Detail Authority in Fairfax, Virginia. And if you're in the National Capital Region and you need window tint done on your Tesla, you need to go to Detail Authority in Fairfax to get it done, because they have some of the best installers in the region that can install this Xpel tint on your Tesla. They do thousands of Teslas a year, and they are by far the best window tint installer in the area.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like...
You can kind of see on this corner here where the dyed glass is and the window tint is up in that corner there. And you can see just how straight this edge is across. I mean, just a beautiful job here done by the installer at Detail Authority. I'm super impressed. But as you can imagine, if you don't get a high quality install, it's going to show every time you open this glass. You're going to see imperfections. So this is just a perfect job. You can tell that this person did it many, many times before. And then if we close that door and look at the front, you can see again just how perfect this is, how perfect the spacing lines up where the original window is and where the tint film is installed. And of course it goes underneath. It's just a super clean job. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, I will catch you guys in the next one. See See ya.